Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to delete your logins or logout history of your Facebook profile, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app, and after that just simply come to your profile section. In your profile section, just simply tap at that three dots, and there we go. And after that, just tap at activity log. Activity log option, just simply scroll down a little bit until you get the option of security and login information. Just simply tap on it, and then here you get the first option of logins and logouts. Just simply tap on it. So here we go. That's where you can easily find your login or logout history. So here you can see all about that. So the tower can easily see your logins or logouts on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So thanks for watching.